project which we are carrying for Department of Agriculture, Government of Maharashtra, in collaboration with ISRO, the National Remote Sensing Agency, and Maharashtra Remote Sensing Agency together will be carrying this project. In fact, in this project, we are trying to cover all the operations right from sowing to the sale of the produce. So it may be a seed, it may be a produce, whatever. So we are trying to cover entire gamut of the agriculture scenario, wherein crop mapping has been carried out, then crop surveillance, where crop health and sowing progress are estimated, then crop yield as well as production. Crop yield is again based on this, say, machine learning and the simulation models and some profile-based models. There are certain predictive analysis also where sowing intelligence can be determined. Then early season crop harvest can be looked into. Then drought analysis, of course. Then soil suitability and optimal fertilization recommendation. In the agri market analysis, we are trying to see and compare the market arrivals as well as the project-based crop yields we are trying to cover. And all these have been accomplished using, say, indigenously developed mobile apps as well as the this Geo portal. Initially, actually, with the start of the season, we are producing a map called as potential Kharif area map, which tells about you how much area will be brought under agriculture for the upcoming season. So this is the analysis for this current season, and we expected to bring 162 lakh hectares of the area under Kharif cultivation. So this we are giving before start of the season itself. Then every fortnightly, using the blend of, say, optical data as well as the microwave data, we are giving the sowing progress. So what will be a sowing progress after 15th of June, then what will be after second estimate as the 30th June, then another 15 days, 15th of June, what will be a sowing progress. And this way we come up with the final estimate ki this will be a sowing taken place during the upcoming current season. And finally, we prepare a Kharif crop map of the state. So, wherein all species, crop wise statistic has been produced, and all these deliverables are available on the indigenously developed Geo portal. So Geo portal shows you the user can see his area of choice and take out the statistic also. The second aspect is crop advisories, because in Maharashtra we have a system called as crop SAP, wherein almost 72 data points are getting collected every week. So these data points are being used for the crop analysis, and based on these data points, we are giving the in-season crop advisories to the government, and government in turn it will pass on to the farmers. Like in Maharashtra, you will find the unseasonal rains and this flood also. So we also use our technology like microwave technology to see the inundation area. Then once inundation area is assessed, we can also see the crop inundated, crop beneath those inundation area, and what will be a crop loss. So crop damage assessment can also be done in this project. Crop change detection is another aspect of the important aspect of the project, because many times it happens that particular year the bumper crop is there and the next year the crop will not be there. To justify these findings, we have a satellite data, comparable satellite data of 2 different years, and based on these years, we showcase the government why the crop is reduced, crop production is reduced this year, or why it is more in particular year. So change detection using multi-date satellite data is an important aspect of our project also. And in this NRSC and ISRO is our partner. In the area of horticulture mapping, we have used very high resolution satellite data of, say, 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter data is being used, and using this very high resolution satellite data, we map cadastral level orchards. So what is the and such kind of village maps are prepared where you can see the different orchard present in a different say particular cadastral number. This will help you to find out the, the areas where crop in orchard intensification is required, where are the orchard rejuvenations are required, what are the spread of the particular orchards, and what will be alternate sites for that orchard. So this kind of analysis is being carried out using high resolution satellite data. The another aspect is the drought assessment. The government of India has issued the drought guidelines called as Drought Manual 2016, wherein all detailed guidelines are given, and based on those guidelines, all state has to determine what are the status of this drought. I'm happy to share you this because last year's Digital Gold Award, Scotch Digital Award has been honored to this Mahamadat project by your very esteemed organization, and this is also a part of our integral part of MyAgritech project, where drought is being determined, drought alerts are generated, and based on these findings, Government of India and NDRF, SDR will provide the financial assistance to the Government of Maharashtra. Then soil health card and soil fertility index. These are another important aspect of our project. And the user can select his village, he can select his particular cadastral number or parcel number, and he can see his what you call soil health card details. The all 12 parameters, including major micronutrients and micronutrients, are given. And based on the soil health fertility status, the recommendations are also given. So all these facilities are available on the click of button if you use the MyAgritech Geo portal. It is being operational since last 3 years. Then, as I explained, this agri market and warehouse module is another area of our project, wherein all storage houses are mapped using mobile app, and the mobile app is also developed to convey the live storage capacity of the particular warehouse. It means the user can select his location and he can find out the nearest warehouse around his area, and he will proceed to that area to store his produce. So this is agri market and warehouse facility is also given to the project. The Geo portal is created where all these modules are situated, and user can locate his area of interest, and he can take out the maps, he can take out the printouts, and he can go for all kinds of weaving capacities. So from the year 2022, the MyAgritech project as well as the MRSAG is also participating in PMFBY, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, by the way of giving the smart sampling for the CC conduction, because productivities all depend on the this CC areas, that is crop cutting experiment, and crop cutting experiment based productivity are assessed. So using the smart signing approach, we are giving the crop cutting sites, and government will be utilizing the services for assessing the yield and its inclusion into Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So in short, this is all about our project, which has already completed 3 years, and Government of Maharashtra has given the extension for another 3 years. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I don't know why such project should be for a particular period. It has to be a sort of continuous thing, no? Sorry.
Of course, sir, actually,
You are doing,
yeah, please.
no,
Please.
just a minute. You are
Yes.
doing excellent work in terms of, advising farmers with regard to the status of crop, no, how it is going to be, whether they are going to face any flood or any, dry, what you call is that, you see, or any
Drought.
other possible damage, drought.
Yes, sir.
So I just wanted to know how many farmers are actually using this portal
So this
over a
portal
period of
is,
3 years.
sir, initially this project was for 3 years. So during the first 3 years, it was decided that first let us streamline the things, and the portal is open for the agriculture department. But now onward, from the project is extended for up to 26 now. So now the portal is open for the individual farmers and stakeholders also. So they can take out their area of interest, their village, they can view the village, they can view the cadastral number, they can view the crops present there, they can view the orchard present there, they can view the soil health card itself. So all kind of ongoing IT applications are also integrated with MyAgritech, this platform.
Because that awareness creation will have to be done, no?
Very right, sir. Very
If,
correct.
yeah. So that the maximum use farmers can take, because
Right.
these are the lacuna things. So I am from an era where we used to do physically crop cutting experiment and yield used to differ and so many problems were there. Still
Right.
problems are there in terms of insurance of crops, but I
Right.
am sure a portal like this would definitely help in removing or those shortcomings. So
So we
thank
had
you
a,
very much.
thank you, sir.
You wanted to add something?
Thank you, sir. Very good presentation. And in fact, you have been helping the farmers in various informed decisions. Do you also have something extra to offer to them in the extended period of 3 years?
Yes, sir. Actually, in this extended period, we are trying to reach to the say a cluster of farmers. May not be individual farmers for that purpose, but we are definitely wishing to make a dent into PMWI system, where the technology-based yield as well as crop cutting based yield will be blended together to bring a stabilized, scientifically based platform.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.